Okay, so welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart episode 8. Episode 8, let's go! Let's fucking go! Go! Holy shit!
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
What is this?
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates,
No.
he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but...
Fucker! Come on! Nice. We got them. No, what the fuck? Okay.
Almost there!
The air says they be fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them a quick death! You're gonna pay
Holy
for making
shit,
a
man.
son of our own
Another one.
shit. Let him know, matey!
I did kill him in the last episode. What the fuck, man?
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rifts.
Okay, these shields, guys.
Way so easy!
Keep them coming,
Fucking.
Pierre. I'm just
don't
waiting
really
for you
like
to
them.
Come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy!
Really, fuckers.
Trying to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
Pixelator HD, okay.
Good thing you'll never have to find
That's
out.
fucking good.
Lucky shot!
These fuckers. Fucking everywhere. Okay. Holy shit, so many of them. Really? I don't have a health. Fucker. I need fucking help. What? Really?
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rifts.
Way so easy!
Keep 'em
Okay.
coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me
Pixelizer for
yourself.
these guys.
I should have known scuttling you
Where are they?
fools would be too easy! For it is a fool's errand to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
Okay.
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Oh, bitches. No.
Be careful.
Stop them from reaching the
Fuckers,
fixer,
man.
or our plundering be over! You and your adorable sassy backpacks then! No chance!
Sassy backpack.
Okay, what do we got now?
Do not lump me into the failure! I am merely the face of the operation!
Come on.
The fixer be done for!
You will die here. And now,
Stop now.
you
Not more
fucker.
close to the fixer.
Come on, man.
I be honored to blaspheme myself.
Okay, help me, guys. We are helping him. We can do this. Pixelizing HP, man. Fucker.
Around that shield.
You fucker, really? Okay. Now what? This gun. Come on.
Enough yet?
No. Really? Don't fall down. No.
Don't be afraid. I only want to kill you. Give up now, sweaty.
Really, man? The fuck is that? Scumbag! You fucking scumbag, man.
The face quartz cannot be fixed.
We're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
Regroup with the others. We are going to attack as one and finish this.
Okay, okay. What do we got?
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
Guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh. This must be the fixer's on switch.
Holy shit. What is that?
Hello?
The fixer?
Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
So many of them.
Oh my.
Really?
Yeah! At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
The fuck?
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the
Holy
breaker now?
shit, man.
I see a fellow broken once. You must accept your brokenness.
The fuck?
Is he
Holy shit.
talking about me?
What the fuck is
Because of your
that?
arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Holy shit. This is fucking cool.
Mine's collapsed. Great.
Then is it like I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix.
Come on.
I cannot be
Okay.
fixed.
Don't fall,
What
don't
the
fall, don't fall.
fuck? Holy shit, what is this?
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
This is really not a fixer. Holy shit. Okay.
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Vullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this?
He can. Holy shit.
Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Rivet.
Okay, let's go back.
So you got the big guy back.
Long time no see.
Okay. Fucking new gun, let's go.
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
I think it's that way.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me
Okay,
back there?
here.
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Rivet.
Okay, let's go. You can go there. Nice. Okay, what do we got?
Bet Ratchet's got everything handled right now.
Let's go back to the Ratchet.
This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, well, you asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research, including the only Rubion forge strong enough to build the Dimensionator.
So it's our only shot. Do you know?
Praise the Emperor.
These
Our
fuckers.
protein cube delivery has arrived.
No, that is the Lota! Praise the Emperor! And engage the
Okay.
lockdown!
You guys fucking good, man.
Elevator is descending.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Now reporting in with overwhelming force. I will not be deterred.
Holy shit. That is good. Well, we need to upgrade it. Come on, what the fuck?
Guess we're not getting in the front door with this.
Okay.
Can we look around? There must be another way in.
Okay, up there, I think.
What's all that noise, my chums?
No. Okay, this one.
Quite squishy.
Let's go.
Ooh, that is Blizon. A common element restoring energy. But I knew it. The Blizon
Holy
must
shit.
have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos. We have shifted into another dimension.
An abandoned dimension from the looks of it.
Fucking snow, I like that.
The elevator's here.
Okay, let's go.
If it helps, Ratchet, I have never met my family either. Unless you count the Emperor. In which case, you cannot do any worse.
Probably not. But even if the Lombaxes are the best family ever, they could still be disappointed in me.
How? You are a hero.
I've hit a few bad guys, sure, but they invented so many brilliant things.
You sell yourself short.
Maybe, but I have a good life in my dimension, Kit, and I don't want to risk it. Speaking of risk, if Kadaro Station exists in this dimension, do you think the Rubion Forge does too?
Possibly. But with the state of everything here, who knows if it would work?
Maybe our best bet then is to find some more Blizon and head back to the other dimension.
It's getting darker. It's like a scary game or what? Or something. Okay, let's go.
Do you think they were researching plants here?
Maybe. Or something broke out of its container.
Oh,
Ah! Is
What
that
the fuck was that?
an amoeboid?
Okay. Holy shit.
oh, my favorite
Give me that.
color.
Yeah. It was an amoeboid!
Oh no.
Coming at us!
Come on.
They're everywhere!
Do not let them eat me. Keep firing, or they will overwhelm us.
I am firing. But I don't want to waste any ammo. Maybe this one will be good. Holy shit, so many things. Nice. Fucking shark.
More of them.
It's a big one.
That's
The
amoeboid
fuck?
multiply in all dimensions!
I can hear their stomachs rumbling.
Okay. Die! Fuckers.
Door's locked. Let's keep moving.
Okay. What do we got now?
Sorry. I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Is he okay?
I'm Ratchet.
Oh, that is great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great too. Ooh, can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
If the room is prone to flooding, they would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high.
Okay, you will handle
I
it.
did not ask for it, but my name is Junkbot, in case you are interested. I know I am.
Pleasure to meet you, Junkbot. This is Kit.
Hello.
Hey, kids. So why do you two need that Blizon?
We're trying to get into another dimension to use their Rubion forge.
Oh, we have one here. Too bad it has not worked in forever. It could make the funnest squares.
You will handle it, but in the next episode. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.